Hello and welcome back to the Footsteps of Life channel and another episode of Drawing for Kids. I hope by now that you're all feeling extremely festive, as there is now only 20 days left until Christmas. I'm sure by now you have all written your Christmas lists ready for Santa, and just like you, we also have a Christmas wish that we would love to come true. However, it is going to require your help. What we are wishing for is for us to hit 100 subscribers by Christmas. I do just want to say though, thank you to everybody who has already subscribed to us and has supported us so far. So let's get into the video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw an elf on a shelf. Right, okay, so the first part we're going to focus on is the elf's face. So for this, we need to draw an arc going across like so, and then we need to follow the line to come round and then back up. And then connect those two lines together. Perfect. We're now going to focus on the the elf's hat. So we need to come where we ended at the two ends. We need to come slightly down and up, and then do the same on the other side. And then we need to join these two lines together. Try and maintain roughly the same distance all the way from one side to the other. Perfect. Okay, so for the top of the hat, we'll start on this side and then we'll come up, round, keep coming up, follow it round, and then we're just going to go past the outside edge of the face and then a slight flick at the end. What we can do here, coming down part way down the face, is we'll finish the hat off where it can then come up and connect. And then we can do our little bauble at the end of the hat. Lovely. The last little piece of the hat is just to do the crease, which we can do at the end there. Perfect. Right, we'll move on to the elf's ears. So where the hat just joins the face, we will then draw our line coming up the ear, slightly up, and then round and down. And we'll just do a little detail in the ears like so. And then we'll do exactly the same on the opposite side. So slightly up, round and down, and then a little detail for the ear on that side too. Right, for the hair, we just need to roughly where we finished with the ears, we can start the earlobe and then just arc that round, and then we'll do the same on the other side, and we'll give the elf a nice little fringe just poking out from underneath the hat. So for this, we need to just pick roughly a third of the way across, come round, back on itself slightly, and then round and then up. That's slightly round. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, so we'll now focus on the eyes. So we'll do a nice big circle on one side. Then we'll do another circle, try and make it as similar size as possible. There we go, like so. And we'll just give a little bit of detail on the eyelids. Make that slightly round. Okay, perfect. We'll do our little details of the eyes. So we'll do 2 circles. Remember, these are going to stay white, and then you'll colour in around them. We'll give a nice little soft touch. So an eyebrow on either side. And then, of course, we'll give him a nice soft smile. 2 lines there. Right, amazing. So that's the face and the hat done. We'll now move on to the elf's body. So we'll follow roughly in the middle of the elf's eye, and then we'll just do a line coming out, and then we'll do the same on the other side. And then in the middle of the elf's face, we will then just do a V. Okay, and then we'll join these up by coming out once and then in, out, back in, and then join that up. Right, amazing. Right, we'll now focus on the elf's body. So for this, we'll come slightly in on the elf's collar, and we'll just draw a line slightly outturned coming down, and then arc that in. We won't go all the way, and you'll see why in a second. And then we'll do exactly the same on the other side. So coming down, in line, and then across. Right, amazing. So we need to now use the center part of the elf again, draw and do a little dot, and then we're going to do an M on one side, connect, and an M, and then connect. And this is going to be the elf's, okay, this is going to be the top of the elf's legs. So from this center point, we can then draw a line coming down, and then from there we'll continue with the elf's legs, come slightly in, and then go back out again for his feet, and then connect, and then we'll do the same on the other side, coming in, out, round, and then connect. Perfect. Right, we'll now look at the elf's arms. So from here we'll use the reference point of the collar again, and we'll draw a line coming down, gradually getting slightly wider. Don't go all the way, and then you can do the elf's collar of his top, and then finish off the collar here, and then we'll do exactly the same on the other side. So from the collar again, coming out slightly wider, stop roughly in line, so we'll go a little bit further, roughly in line, do the zigzag coming back, and then his collar like so. And now we just need to do his hands. So we'll come out, back round, up, do his thumb, and then back in, and then the same on the other side. Right, amazing. Let's just do a little detail here and here, just gives it a bit more character. Looks like the hat is sitting nice and comfortably on his head. So the next part we need to do is the shelf. So we'll come down just below the elf's hands, and we'll try and draw a line that runs along the elf's body. We'll extend this a little bit further. Then we now need to just do the top of the shelf. So for this, come just above the elf's hands, and then we'll draw the line going across, follow it on, and stop there. Connect these 2 lines together. go make the shelf look 3D, and then follow that line along all the way to the end, like so. And there you go. You have your own elf on a shelf. All that's left to do now is to colour it in. And there we have it. That concludes today's episode of Drawing for Kids. Please remember to subscribe, because we would absolutely love to hit the 100 subscribers before Christmas. If you have any suggestions of things that you would like us to draw that are Christmas related, then please make sure you put that down in the comment sections below. So that's it from me. I will see you in the next episode. See you later.